In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add LinkedIn Insight tag to Google Tag Manager. Before we begin, here's the plan. We'll open Google Tag Manager, create a new tag, choose the LinkedIn Insight tag type, add your Insight tag ID, save your setup, and then add a trigger so the tag knows when to fire. This process helps you measure LinkedIn ad performance and build remarketing audiences without touching your site's code directly. You'll just need access to your Tag Manager container and your LinkedIn Insight Tag ID from your LinkedIn Ads account. Start by opening your browser and heading to tagmanager.google.com. Sign in, then choose the correct account and container for the website where you want to install the Insight tag. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace can save you from pushing changes to the wrong site. Once you're inside the container, look to the left-hand menu and click on Tags. This is where all your existing tags live and where we'll add a new one. Click the New button to create a fresh tag. A blank tag panel will open. It's a good habit to name your tag clearly, for example, something like LinkedIn Insighted Base, so you and your teammates know exactly what it does at a glance. Now click Tag Configuration. This opens the list of tag types available in your container. From the tag type list, choose LinkedIn Insight. Selecting the correct tag type ensures Google Tag Manager loads LinkedIn's tracking script the way LinkedIn expects, which is important for reliable attribution and audience building. Next, enter your Insight Tag ID. You can find this in your LinkedIn Ads account under the area where the Insight tag is provided. Be sure to copy just the ID, not any extra spaces or characters, so tracking initializes properly. Click Save to lock in the configuration you've entered so far. If Tag Manager prompts you that a trigger is needed before saving, that's normal. We're about to add it. Click Add Trigger to decide when the tag should fire. For most implementations, you'll choose a site-wide option so the Insight tag runs on all pages and captures the broadest set of visits. If your strategy calls for a narrower scope, you can tailor the trigger to specific pages or events, but a site-wide trigger is the standard starting point for base Insight tag deployment. And that's it. You've set up the LinkedIn Insight tag inside Google Tag Manager by creating the tag, configuring it with your ID, saving your work, and adding a trigger so it runs at the right time. This foundation enables accurate tracking and smarter optimization for your LinkedIn campaigns.